All right. Good morning, Algebra 2. Welcome to the last day of first semester. All we got going on today is just doing the final exam. You can see the directions up here on the screen for you. They'll be inside the test and everything. Remember, there are all the formulas. You won't need them all, but they're all there in case you need them for this test. What else I got? So just get the exam done. If you can't get it done today, you gotta reach out and let me know. Right? They gotta be done this week. So if you can't get it done today, Thursday, let me know and we'll have to figure out another time to do it. Otherwise, it'll just go in as a 0. So make sure you're getting it done. Other reminder, as we're coming to the end of the semester here, I got to get grades in tomorrow, Friday. So if anything doesn't look right in campus, or if you want to do any final last assignments or anything like that, just get them in soon so that I can put them in the grade book. I'll probably update grade book Thursday during the day, maybe, or definitely Friday morning when I start doing grades. So let me know maybe Friday afternoon if anything doesn't look good. Yeah. Okay, I think that's it. If you have any questions, just send me an email. Have a good day.